Bonjour! I'm Frankie from Club Foodie, and today we're making the ultimate summer dish, 7-layer salad. With fresh ingredients, this colorful, vibrant salad is perfect for potlucks, picnics, or whenever you want a bowl loaded with yumminess. So let's get cooking. We'll start by making the dressing. In a medium bowl, we'll add a Miracle Whip. Don't lift your nose. And check out the blog on Mayo versus Miracle Whip coming up in September. Okay? Then mayonnaise, homemade of course. Some sour cream. I use light, but full fat is fine too. Powdered sugar, which won't make the dressing gritty as opposed to granulated sugar. Hot sauce of your choice. I like Cholula, and if I don't have any on hand, I go for Valentina. Plus the two usual suspects, ground sea salt and freshly ground mixed peppercorns. We'll stir the ingredients until very well blended. Now, if you're making this salad on a hot summer day, I highly suggest transferring the dressing to the fridge until needed. Now, we're ready to assemble the salad. In a trifle bowl, mine is 8 inches in diameter by 5 inches tall. We'll add our first layer, which is chopped iceberg lettuce. Next month, I have a video on the nutritional value of popular greens we use for salads, so check it out. After this is nicely leveled out, and it's all about visual appeal because we want to see the 7 layers distinctly. We'll add red onions and spread it out evenly. To remove the bitterness from raw onions, the link is on the top right corner of your screen. Followed by very well drained thawed green peas. Then comes the hard-boiled eggs, cooled, peeled, and chopped, although they can be sliced, your choice. To cook them perfectly, the link is on your screen. And diced red peppers. I had some orange peppers in my crisper and decided to mix them in. If you have some yellow hanging around, use them. Next, we'll pour over the dressing we made earlier. And of course, we'll spread it out evenly before adding the toppings. We'll add sharp cheddar cheese. I prefer orange over white because it makes such a beautiful contrast. Then crumbled bacon. To cook it without the mess, you know where the link is. And finally, some sliced green onions straight from our garden. Serve immediately, otherwise cover and transfer to the fridge until needed. And my friends, this is our 7-layer salad. Colorful, easy to make, and tasty. This is a great summer recipe to enjoy. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!